Unit 13. Air and Water. A. Air. Air is everywhere. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. All living things need air to live. We need air to breathe. Hold your nose tight. Close your mouth. You feel uneasy. You have to breathe air. Plants need air to breathe. Take a potted plant. Place a jar over it. Look at the plant after 3 days. The plant begins to die. Plants need air to live. Animals need air to breathe. Take 2 glass jars. Make a few holes in the lid of one. Put a cockroach in each jar. Cover the jars with the lids. After some time, the cockroach in the jar without holes dies. The other cockroach does not die. It gets air to breathe. Fire needs air to burn. Light 2 candles. Cover one candle with a bell jar. The flame goes off after some time. The other candle continues to burn. This shows that fire needs air to burn. Other uses of air: sailboat, tire tube, hot air balloon, football, kite flying.
Do these.
1. Fill in the blanks.
Conceptual understanding.
Two. Tick if true or cross if false in the brackets.
Conceptual understanding. Oh no, do it again.
Three. Answer the following questions.
Conceptual understanding.
B. Water. We need water to live. We need water for different uses such as drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing, etc. We also need water for agriculture. Even plants, birds, and animals cannot live without water. If there are no ponds, rivers, and canals, we take water from the underground. The water in the inner layers of the earth is called groundwater. When we dig a well, water comes out from the inner layers of the earth. We take this water with the help of buckets, pots, and mortar pipes. We can take water by sending pipes into the ground. We can use this water for drinking and other purposes. We use hand pumps to get this water. They are called boring pumps. For irrigation, farmers fix pipes to the motors. We can get more water in less time by using motors. The water we get from ponds, rivers, lakes, and wells consists of many impurities. If we drink such water, we might get diseases. So, we should boil and filter the water before drinking. The water in seas and oceans is saline in nature, so we do not use that water for drinking or for irrigation. The water that is available from the underground is in the purest form, so we should not waste it.
Do these.
1. Fill in the blanks.
Conceptual understanding. Oh no, do it again.
Two. Tick if true or cross if false in the brackets.
Conceptual understanding. Oh no, do it again.
Three. Answer the following questions in a word or a phrase.
Conceptual understanding.
4. Answer the following questions.
Conceptual understanding.
Fourteen.